Hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will answer one of the requested machine problem that is being sent by one of our subscribers through my Facebook page. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, subscribers, fans in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, likes, dislikes, and leaving a comment. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. By the way, I would like to shout out Sir Ernil, Marshmallow, Mama Rubelin, and Sir Daven. If you want to be shout out in my channel, just leave your name in the comment section of this video and then put shout out. Okay, so right now we will start already, so we have here the output. The title of the machine problem is to create my online arithmetic calculator in PHP. So we have 4 operations: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So there is a text box here, operand number 1, operand number 2, and then the user will select a radio button on the 4 basic arithmetic operation: add for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divide. Now, let us go with the machine problem. This is the screenshot that is being sent to me. Let us make it much bigger, So, my online arithmetic operator, operand 1, 5, and 4. Operand 1, we have 5, operand 2, 4, and then addition. So, hello, send, okay, the sum will be first added 5 and 4, the sum is 9. The difference will be 1, the product will be 20 here, and then you send the following values. Divide 5 divisor 4 is 1. Okay, so let us, before we will answer that, we will go first with the code. Okay, so don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. So we have here less than PHP form solution display none. If I set operand 1 and operand 2 operation, so using switch case statement, we were able to add just like this one, multiply, addition. Okay, and then this one is for the subtraction. We will just browse the code because the code is much longer, so to save our time, and then we'll multiply here and then divide and then display. So in the HTML part, we have here the title, my online calculator in PHP, and then we have here a series of CSS files, CSS commands. Okay, so we have here the main class, container, header 1 in HTML, my online arithmetic calculator in PHP, by yours truly, Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, IT, MIT, and then post operand 1 here. We have a placeholder, enter a number required, placeholder 2 here, operand 2, then operator add, subtract, multiply, divide here, wrapper, and then we display the result on the other page, and then we close. As I said, I will put a link in the video description so that you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. We are just having a walkthrough. So we have here the display of the operand and then the result. Okay, so let us go back in this screenshot that is being sent to me or the picture. We have 5 and 4 so let us check if we have the right result. Let's go back. Operand 1 we have 5, operand 2 we have 4. Let's see addition, add. So hello, you send the following values, 5 and 4, we have 9. Let us go back here. Yes, we have 5. Hello, you send the values. Okay, how about the second one? Let us go with our code. Let's go back, subtraction, submit. The same thing, we achieve the same result. The difference, hello, you send the following values, minimum 5, subtract is 4 and 1, the difference is 1. How about the product let us go back. We just move this one to multiply, submit, and then we compare Okay, this is saying the following values 5 and 4. The product is 20. So perfect. We have the same result. And then the last is the dividend or divisor, no? So let's go back here, back, select divide, submit. Okay, we have the same result, no? With decimal value. Okay, you send the following values 5 and 4. We have quotient of 1, but again, no, here we have decimal values, no? There is a remainder, so 1.25. Okay, so that's it. Now we already successfully created my online arithmetic calculator in PHP programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. As I said, no, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. So I hope that you learn something new in this tutorial video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.